Assalamualaikum my lovely viewers, this is Hello Light World Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to import package in Jupyter Interactive Computing environment with Python. So I will go to the computing notebook. So here the thing just now I have done. So before that, what the things, this is the things, first of all we have to install the things what I want the matplotlib. See, I will install. Then when just I print the things, the thing has not been working as because I didn't import the thing. So how? So if I run this package, now it will, as because I have done this thing. First of all I have done. Now the thing, import the things. Let's take another thing. Here I just copy what, here the things, and also only the things it has been working or not. Let's check again. See, the error has been as because I didn't import the things. Now I will give the only this command. See, it has been imported and now the print has been comma has. Also, I'm so sorry, this is not. So sorry, I have just cut or I have delete the things, leave this space. And which thing, this is not, this thing I have been deleted, and again I will take the new thing. Now what, this is the pip install, sorry, this is this thing. See, that has been, see the error, name matplotlib is not defined as because we didn't import. Now again I will run this command. See, before import or without import it will not working. So in this way we can import according to our requirements the package. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. Hopefully this tutorial will help you so much.